Hello to all our Forever friends. I am very excited to have a new guest to the Forever webinars today, Mr. Chris Hardy, our Executive Vice President of Aloe Vera of America. Welcome to the webinar.
Thank you, Greg.
All right.
It's great to be here.
We are excited to have you. Many distributors, Chris, have come to Dallas, have toured the facility there, have seen the incredible improvements that we made, but there's millions of others that haven't. So why don't you tell the folks watching today a little bit about what's going on in Dallas and at the manufacturing plant?
Oh, I'd be happy to. Gosh, we've been so busy this year, just continuing on from last year with the improvements we've made in the facility. In particular this year, we're actually getting ready to install next week. We're installing a new cosmetic filling line to fill products like liquid soap and Aloe First and the MPD2X. The equipment's going to be installed next week, and it should be running hopefully by the end of November.
Wow, that's incredible. We've actually seen a lot of improvements lately, spent quite a bit of money trying to improve the facility there, adding new equipment, especially the new bottling line. I think that's so impressive. Give us a little statistics about the bottling line that we have.
Oh, absolutely. We put the bottling line in about 2.5 years ago, and as you know, we used to have 2 filling lines, and each of the filling lines had 13 employees working on each line, and we had to run 2 shifts to keep up with production. Well, now with a fully automated line that we have, we can produce the same amount of juice that we produced with 26 people. Actually, it was 52 people, 26 on each shift over 2 lines. We can do it with 1 line, an 8-hour shift, 3 people. And we are now bottling about 2.5 million bottles of juice every month.
To see that facility and to understand the investment that the company's put into making sure we have the highest quality products is something very important to you as you're out sharing with your customers. But if we don't have enough aloe, we can't make any products in Dallas, right? So many of you may not know, but Chris is also in charge of all our aloe plantations in southern Texas and the biggest one in the Dominican Republic. And I understand you just came back from there. Tell us how the plantations look.
Oh, it was fabulous. You know, this time of year, you have the tropical storms coming through, and so we get quite a bit of rain, and it leaves the aloe looking just fabulous. We've put about 500 acres of new aloe in this year in Dominican Republic, and in addition to that, we've had to completely remodel the processing facility to effectively double the amount of leaves that we can process through there every day. So right now we're doing about 5 million pounds of leaves we harvest and process every week.
Wow. So as you can see, folks, we are continuing to grow. As you sell more products, on the back end of things, we're trying to prepare ourselves to make sure we keep up with the growth and we keep the supply for you to go out and share with all your friends and customers. Now, one of the exciting things that came your way here recently, and you may not know this, but we opened a new facility here in Phoenix, Arizona called Forever Nutraceuticals, which is also on your plate. So tell us what's our goal with Forever Nutraceuticals?
Number one, as we have grown so fast over the last couple of years, we realized that we needed to increase our production capacity. And so we came up with the idea of building a world-class, state-of-the-art nutraceutical facility. And number one, to keep up with our production growth, but number two, to put together a team of research and development scientists that would be able to develop all of our new products for years to come, all of our dietary supplement products. And it was about a project that lasted about 1.5 years, and we actually had the grand opening in April this year.
It is an incredible facility. We're very, very proud of it. You as a distributor should be very proud of it because we are taking all the measures to make sure you have the highest quality products that give you the benefits that you can go out and have the confidence to share them with all. So we want to thank Chris for joining us today, and he's in a very important part of the Forever team. And when you see him next time, give him a big hug because he really, truly does a great job in making sure we have the best products out there. Thanks, Chris.
Thanks, Greg. I appreciate it.